That's a bad shaft, camshaft actuator. As you see, this one is good. Intake fails always with these engines. See? And that's why it rattles, because the timing gets off, and then it loses power. So yeah, kind of a shitty job, but that's it.